what I think has been happening in many industries is that there are too many general purpose shows, whereas what Samir has been trying to do is to focus on very tightly defined end user industries. That made sense to me.
Most important thing is it is 100% our business only, no other field is in this show. So I think this is perfect.
Today is the era of specialization, and Matt Dispense has really contributed to this specialization by having an exclusive seminar as well as exhibition on a dispensing system, bringing the total ecosystem in the dispensing together. It's a great experience.
There was a huge emphasis on promoting each individual exhibitor to obtain the target audience and to work closely with them in their interests, which I think is missing in a lot of the shows today because of saturation.
All the industry leaders are here. When these industry leaders are believing in something, that print is going to work, and we do see this show is going to go to great heights.
So it was a curated audience. This is an exhibition that was holding promise as regards meeting with the people who really matter in the industry.
This exhibition is very well organized, and it is having mix of suppliers, so it will be helpful for my future requirement of buying.
We got a lot of inquiries from this exhibition.
We find customers from diverse fields.
Actually, I was surprised, most of my customers already knew about this exhibition before I came here.
This exhibition is so focused on dispensing, we can say it is a success.
It's a growing community, and I guess it's very important for everyone to be part of the family.
The need for niche products, niche suppliers is increasing day by day.
So I'm very sure that the Matt Dispense has a great future.